The question for this episode is, what exactly is lightning out in Aura components? Now, lightning out is a concept that we will be using whenever we want to create an Aura component and whenever we want to expose the Aura component such that it can be used in third-party platforms. And if you notice it, to initiate the process, I created an Aura application, and within the Aura application, I'll have to make use of a tag called Aura dependency, and followed by that, the attribute is going to be resource, to which we need to provide the name of the Aura component that we wish to expose, which in our case is going to be explore hello world. So step 1, I tried creating an Aura application. Step 2, I'm trying to make use of Aura dependency tag with attribute resource being the name of the Aura component that I wish to expose. And after that, we can go back to the third party platform and we can make use of JavaScript to embed this Aura component in the external platforms. Now, just to give you a visual confirmation, I'm trying to embed the Aura component back in the Visualforce page. Now, you might argue by saying, how come embedding an Aura component in Visualforce page is similar to exposing the Aura components in third-party platforms? Now, though Visualforce and Aura components is created and given to us by Salesforce, the browser doesn't know it. The browser only understands one thing. As long as the resources are being fetched from two different servers, the browser is going to treat them as two different platforms. And in our case, Lightning or Aura components will be fetched from one server, whereas Visualforce will be fetched from a different server, and the browser is going to treat that as two different frameworks. And hence, I'm going to walk you through the process of exposing Aura components in Visualforce pages using Lightning out concept. If you notice it, in the script tags, I'm trying to make use of this notation, which is $lightning.use. Now, $lightning is one more global variable that we get access to as long as we are within Lightning environment. So for this notation, I'm trying to provide the name of the Lightning app. And to this notation, I'm trying to provide the name of the Aura component that I wish to embed, which in our case is going to be explore hello world. And what is the data that I wish to push to the Aura component, which is explore hello world, that has to be provided here. In our case, we are not looking at sending or pushing any information to the Aura component. And where exactly do you want to plug the Aura component in this VF page? I'm looking at getting it plugged in a div with ID Lightning, and followed by that, the callback function is going to be this. So this is how we can make use of Lightning out concept and expose the Aura component in Lightning experience and embed that or use that in external platforms. That's all for this episode. See you in the next one.